Are you tired seeing this message? Your PC doesn't support TPM 2.0. Your processor is not supported by the version, and you don't have secure boot enabled? Well, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to bypass this and still upgrade it to Windows 11 from 10. So let's get started. Okay, so in this episode, I'm going to relieve all of your frustration and we're going to upgrade Windows 10 to a Windows 11. So a few things we're going to have to do before we get started is one is download Windows 11 ISO. Two, you need this DLL. I'm going to have that link where you need to go to download the DLL in the description down below. And that's where the magic is in that DLL file. I got a request to do this by many people. So the registry hack that you look, and I tried it. You create a lab config key and then you do some D word. That doesn't work. I tried it and I failed on that registry edit. But this works 100%. It works. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing you need to do is let's create a folder on your desktop called Windows 11. Okay, that's the first thing we need to do. And then after we do that, let's go and download the Windows 11 ISO. I'll have that a link in the description down below as well. So let's jump over the website and let's get started. Okay, so we are at the website you need to go to. You got three options. So what you want to do is you want it to go to the third option where download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Select Windows 11, download. Make sure to download it to your desktop. All right, so let's jump back to the desktop. Okay, so we are back on our desktop. So make sure you have the .dll, which is going to be in the zip file. So you have that. You have a Windows 11 folder created, and you have the ISO image. All right, so what you want to do now is to right-click the Windows 11 ISO, click Mount. Okay, it's going to pop up File Explorer. Next, you want to highlight all these files, right-click it, go copy, and then you want to paste it in the Windows 11 folder, which I already done it, so I'm not going to paste and overwrite all these files again. Okay, so now, once you do that, you're going to open the .dll file. Okay, you're going to right-click this, copy this file, and then you're going to copy it right into the Windows 11 sources folder. So you're going to right-click it, you're going to overwrite the existing file, you're going to click yes, and that is it. Once that is done, you're going to first open File Explorer, and we're going to unmount the image, the ISO image, by right-clicking, go to eject. Okay, now open Windows 11 folder, and you're going to run the setup file. Okay, we're gonna pause for a minute. We're gonna see why the .dll file works. I'm gonna explain right now. We're gonna open the .dll file. So the .dll file has lines that tells the setup files, what to do. So it runs a system check on your computer and it's going to read all of these lines to make sure, hey, does your computer qualify for the operating system? So what I did is I went and deleted all the TPM 2.0 lines, all the secure boot lines, and I deleted the processor lines. You need a minimum processor to run Windows 11. Well, I deleted all of that, then I saved the DLL, and then I made it available to you guys. So now you can go and download the DLL, and it's be available to you. It'll be a lot faster, so you don't have to worry about opening the DLL and then wipe all the lines out. I just saved you time, so you don't have to do it. So now let's close that and open the Windows 11 folder, and let's run this up. You're gonna hit yes. Okay, so install Windows 11. Sure, yes, I will love to. All right, so it's gonna get up checking for updates, and then it's gonna tell us that it's gonna restart the setup again, which is fine. That's normal. Okay, so you're going to accept the license term. All right, so it's going to go through the checking updates. Let it check the updates. Okay, we are ready to install. Okay, so with this update, it keeps all your personal files and apps. So you can actually click change what to keep. And you can say, hey, keep personal files and apps, or you can keep personal files only, which it deletes all your apps, or you can say, hey, delete everything and make it a clean Windows 11 operating system. So here, I'm just going to leave it by default. I'm going to keep files and apps. We're going to click next and just follow the prompts, and then you should be golden. There you go. We have Windows 11. Now, you're going to be thinking to yourself, why is this Windows 11 Pro Insider Preview Evaluation Copy um, time stamp on the bottom right hand corner? Well, this is an actual dev build. My installation is still installing and updating, and I promise it will finish, and you will have a Windows 11 upgrade. So on yours, you will not have this. It will be blank, and you'll have a regular, desktop. So this is Windows 11, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And for more tips, tricks, and how-to guides for your Windows operating systems, subscribe and turn your bell notification on. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.